Meteorologist Bob Anthony with your precision forecast.
Very summer-like today. Today will probably be our warmest day of the week. We have some somewhat cooler temperatures coming our way for the weekend, but then the temperature will plummet as we head into Monday and Tuesday. We also have a chance of rain in the forecast. I'll tell you about that in just a bit. 85 degrees right now. We have winds at just 5 miles per hour. Our high temperature 13 degrees above normal at 89. Normal is 76. The overnight low also above normal. No precipitation today. We reset since it's June 1st, a new month. So no precipitation for the month. The sunrise at 6:06, sunset at 9:20. Some high temperatures. This is our story today. Some warm temperatures. I forecasted 89 for Boise. Guess what? That's exactly what we had. Got up to 89. But some locations did hit 90, like Mountain Home and Ontario, up to 91 in Ontario, and Sun Valley's high 79. Here's what's happening on our satellite map. The storm track well to the north, but check this out with all the daytime heating. I told you there was some unstable air to our south. With the heating during the day, boom, it makes itself known in the form of some scattered showers and thunderstorms kind of coming up this way. In fact, this cell, I'll look at that a little closer here in just a bit. That has the potential of producing some nocturnal thunderstorms for us for the next couple hours. Here's our satellite map. We have a jet stream flow into Washington State. Most of the precipitation moving through the panhandle, and some warm air coming up from the southwest, and also some scattered thunderstorms, as I just showed you on that other map. And here's a little closer look. This batch I'm watching right here, it shows some signs of weakening in the last few frames, but this holds together. We might see some lightning bolts off in the distance to the southwest over the next couple hours or so. So keep that in mind. You might want to roll up your windows as well. Well, for Saturday, we got a low pressure system to our north. It's going to drag a cold front through our area. We also have a possibility of some isolated showers, mainly our west central mountains. 60% chance there for us in the Boise area, just a slight chance of maybe some scattered showers or afternoon thunderstorms, but a potent system moving in next week, Monday and Tuesday, and we're definitely looking at some rain. Early next week, we're going to see a trough of low pressure carve out, and this generally means cooler and unsettled weather, and that's certainly going to be the case at the beginning of this next work week. But for tomorrow, the good news is for your weekend, partly cloudy skies, only a slight chance of rain, mainly favoring the afternoon hours. Temperatures somewhat cooler, but still in the 80s. For our mountain locations, mostly cloudy skies, a better chance of seeing some rain the further north you go, with McCall's high 65 degrees. And for the Sun Valley area, you're looking at also the possibility of some thunderstorms in the afternoon, otherwise partly cloudy. Sun Valley's high 75. For the Magic Valley, partly cloudy, slight chance of some showers, and the high 83 in Twin Falls. And our extended forecast calls for a pretty nice weekend, actually. If we dodge some thunderstorms, 82 on Saturday, 85 on Sunday, but a bit unsettled and much cooler on Monday and Tuesday.
So maybe some raindrops tonight even.
Maybe even.
Staying warm through the weekend, though. I like that. Wait until Monday to cool down. Thanks, Bob.